What homeowners in Virginia should know about heat pump installation and maintenance. Installing and caring for a heat pump is important for its long life and good performance. Virginia homeowners should know what steps to take to get the best results. Proper installation and regular maintenance keep the system working efficiently and reduce repair costs. Understanding the installation process and learning simple maintenance tips helps homeowners protect their investment. Knowing how to spot common issues early also saves time and money. Finding qualified installers. Choose installers with experience in heat pump systems. Check for proper licenses and certifications. Ask for references from past customers. A skilled installer ensures the unit fits your home's needs. They also follow safety rules and local codes. Never hire someone without proper credentials. Installation process. The installer begins by assessing your home's size and insulation. They select the right heat pump size for efficiency. Installation includes placing the outdoor and indoor units carefully. Professionals connect electrical wiring and refrigerant lines. The system is tested to confirm it works well. Proper setup avoids future problems and high energy bills. Routine maintenance tips. Clean or replace filters every 1 to 3 months. Keep outdoor units clear of leaves and debris. Check the thermostat settings regularly. Schedule professional tune-ups once a year. Inspect ducts for leaks and seal if needed. These actions improve airflow and reduce energy use. Regular care helps the heat pump last longer. Common issues and troubleshooting. Watch for unusual noises or weak airflow. Check if the system cycles on and off too often. A dirty filter often causes poor performance. Ice buildup on the outdoor unit signals a problem. Low refrigerant levels need a professional fix. Early detection prevents costly repairs and keeps comfort high. Enjoying this video from Hello Troubleshooting? Subscribe to our channel for practical fixes, helpful guides, and expert troubleshooting tips. Hit the subscribe button and enable notifications to stay updated with our latest problem-solving videos. Your support helps Hello Troubleshooting grow and bring you even more reliable solutions every week.